In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage OneDrive storage in Microsoft Teams. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your Microsoft account to review and manage the storage that OneDrive uses behind the scenes for your Teams files. Let's start inside Microsoft Teams. Look at the upper right-hand corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. This might be your initials or a picture you've uploaded. Go ahead and click that profile icon. This is your main access point to personal account settings and information related to how Teams connects to your Microsoft account. When the menu opens, look for the option that says My Microsoft Account and click on it. This will open a new browser tab and take you to the main Microsoft account portal that's linked to the same login you use for Teams. Managing OneDrive storage is done through this central account page, not directly inside the Teams app itself. Once your Microsoft account page loads, you'll see several tabs or sections across the top. Find the one labeled Security and click on it. Even though we're focusing on storage, Microsoft places many OneDrive-related controls under the broader security and account management area. Don't worry, we're not changing passwords here. We're just using this as our route to the correct settings. On the security page, scroll down until you see an option related to file backup and security, then click on it. This section connects features like OneDrive backup, protection, and how your files are handled and stored across Microsoft services. It's essentially the hub where OneDrive management tools are grouped together. From there, look for the link or button that says Manage Storage and click it. This is the key step. Manage Storage will open a more detailed OneDrive page that shows how much space you're currently using, how much total storage you have, and which areas or folders are taking up the most room. This is where you can decide what to clean up or adjust. Finally, once you're on that storage management page, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Microsoft may guide you through options like deleting large or unused files, emptying the recycle bin, managing shared items, or upgrading your storage plan if you're close to the limit. Take your time to review each suggestion. If you're unsure about deleting something, download a backup copy first or move it to a different location. And that's it. By following these steps, you can keep your OneDrive storage organized and make sure Microsoft Teams keeps running smoothly without storage-related